Assert true versus assert is not none. I am working on some automated tests with a colleague and we wondered whether there were any differences in our approaches. We have a method that returns a HTTP response object. Occasionally, it might return none, but normally an object. The original code is. But I felt it might be more readable to have. I looked into the differences in the docs on truthiness, so I'm aware of things that would return true that aren't necessarily none. However, for the most part, both would work. And a lot of the existing tests are asserting true rather than asserting not none. Is there any reason why one technique would work better than the other?
TLDR. There is a functional difference in general, though in your particular case the execution result will be the same for both techniques. It now depends only on your willingness to be either explicit or concise. Full answer. Assuming that a is a variable in Python, there is a difference between and. In the FIST case, you are evaluating the return of the call to the bool in on the object, which follows multiple strategies to get a result, as it was already discussed here. This evaluates only according to the object's class implementation. Did you have a look on the class of your response object? It will tell you how bool response behaves. In the second case, you are evaluating a as not being none. This is completely different. For example, an empty list will evaluate to false but is not none. If your response object is a subclass derived from list, then it will probably behave the same way, so evaluating the emptiness of response is not equivalent to evaluating response as none. In your case, I guess that your response object is provided by the request library. If so, then yes, in your particular case, both techniques are functionally equivalent, though you should notice a tiny performance gain evaluating against none.
Isso mostra só. Isso considera